This is completely very bad warning for all XRP holder, my brother, because you can see here the current condition is also bad, and especially the previous days also XRP very badly falls down. So what's this, my friends? What's this? Can we are losing? No, my brother. No, 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 no. The warning is that, my friends, for all holder to this, they take a very bad decision and those that is starting selling. Let's see, my brother. I predicate this coin, and absolutely I will tell you, my brothers, for upcoming time they will move up and the future is going to be bright, and this is selling time or buying time, absolutely. So you need to watch this video completely, my brother. The last 24-hour chart is on the screen completely. If you can see here, this time plus minus 0.75% fails down. Definitely this is very short fail, my brother, but if you know about the latest update, exactly, my friends, I hope the latest update is going to be very positive. But this time you can see, my brother, they completely fails down. So it's mean, my brothers, to all cryptocurrencies moving in this circulation, after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. Exactly, my brother. So you need in this current condition research personally, absolutely, but I just tell you, my friend, I just share my my friend advice. So therefore I tell you to don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, XRP will give you a double price. This time you can see here, my friend, minus 0.75% fails down. But if we check out the last the last 1 hour chart, what's going on in the current condition, yes, exactly, my friends, the change occur will be positive, and they give you very good efforts. You can see here just in only in the last 1 hour plus 2.95% they moving upwards. So definitely this is very short jump, and this is very good jump. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they also moving up like a rocket, definitely like that. But just in only, my friends, you need to hold and don't sell it. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Hope you understand something new. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. Allah Hafiz, take care.